Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card into your Apple ID because Clash Royale charges through Apple, not Supercell directly. Open the App Store, tap your avatar, choose Redeem Gift Card or Code, then enter or scan the code. Once done, make sure the displayed Apple ID balance reflects the added funds. If your region mismatches, purchases may be blocked. Change region only if you understand the implications. Now that funds are in place, proceed to the game to make an in-app purchase. Once in Clash Royale, go straight to the shop and select the gem pack you want. You should see the final price, including any local taxes, charged to your Apple ID balance. Tap Buy, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. This ensures Apple processes the payment securely. Make sure not to hit the purchase button twice. Double taps can trigger duplicate charges. If the transaction is blocked, check your Apple ID balance and region, then retry after verifying settings. You finish by confirming that the gems appear in your Clash account. Sometimes the in-game balance updates after a quick restart. If you don't see the purchase, open Settings Your Name Media and Purchases Purchase History to confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, wait a few minutes and relaunch the game. If still missing, do not repurchase. Contact Apple support with the receipt and transaction ID. A key troubleshooting tip. First, restart the device and the app. Then check purchase history before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.